Okay, it's been a while. Let's just do a quick update on what's been happening. I have been flying, I just haven't had time to make videos and stuff. So we've got the Avata 2, we have the Meteor 75 analog, we have the Meteor 75 digital with the 04 lite on it. Look, check out the cool case. Sam made that for me. 3D printed, that's cool. We lost the Pavo. The Pavo went in some water, we was flying under, doing some power loops under a bridge at Bells Rapids in Perth. Super cool. I'll put some footage up somewhere, but I landed it rolled down a rock and went into a big puddle. I've unplugged it, fried stuff, the board's all messed up. Luckily I think the 04 lite is good, so I just need to order a new Pavo 20 Pro body, and I've got the 04 lite, will just plug straight back on top, so I need to do that. I chucked the battery away that I was using there, but apart from that we're good. So we need to get the Pavo back. But today I'm just going to fly these two back to back through here, through these things, have some fun. So let's start with the analog, just because I don't want to spoil myself with the digital first. Haven't flown this for a while, so let's see what happens. So we've got the challenges obviously of the gaps here, and then we have this one. Okay, that was not a good start. Let's try that again. So the goal is just simple, get through that gap and then through the bike thing. So analog through again, and let's go high, see what stuff looks like up here, dive down fast, and then we'll just do that same move with the digital in a second. But I'll use the battery up here, have some fun. Maybe we'll try and power loop this, big power loop like that. That would look better. And through. Oh, no. Okay. New challenge. Power loop. This. And then through the bike thing. So there's the power loop, not perfect. But now I just need to get through. There we go. Okay. So that's the challenge. What are you doing? Get a cool video through that thing. I'm using these, the new Lava BetaFPV 680s. So let's see if we can get a cool power loop. Oh, what did that hit? Okay, prop has lost it. So time to swap over to the digital. Okay, I've just realized this is, the camera is so loose. It's wobbling around there. This camera's so loose. So I don't know what sort of jello we're gonna get. I actually might fix the jello. Let's find out. Okay. Obviously this looks way better now, but let's see how it handles. Okay, that wasn't very clean. So we want power loop through here. Something like that. And then oh Jesus. Okay. Got to recalibrate. That's my excuse. After analog. Whoa, Jesus, Jesus. I'm not making you feel sick watching this. Let's go. Okay. We need power loop. And again, not good, but we survived. Now, through the gap. Oh, Jesus. Okay, start again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Power loop. Whee. Okay, we made it. Not very clean, but we made it. See if we can get a better one. My goodness. Okay, come on. Nope. Jeez, it didn't like that. Okay, we're getting land now, but I reckon we can get one more out of this battery. Let's try. No, lost oomph. Well, I think it's just because I'm so used to the, well, I just flew the analog, so that's much more floaty, less heavy, where this is obviously much heavier with the 04 Lite on such a tiny drone. We got another one. I don't know if that was cleaner. Let's put a new battery on. One more of this. Then maybe we'll just have a quick flight with the Avata. Well, sand. Okay, that's the Meteor Digital done. Let's quick fly with the Avata. So you just got to be a little bit more careful with this. I'm not sure I'm going to do the same tricks though. No, that's why. Thought that was going to be easy, but that was anything but. Okay, I keep saying I'm going to use this for cinematic only and not do any stupid stuff with it, and then come off the back of flying the whoops and go, oh, I'll just do something silly with it. Right, I'm not doing that anymore. Let's check it's going to fly okay, and then we'll just have a little bit of a cruise. Okay, let's cruise with it. What I should use the Avata for, not silly things. Okay, so that's an update on the droning. Let me know how you guys are going. I'll speak to you guys in the next one.